Hi everyone, this is your favorite realtor Norm, and today I wanted to share a statistic with you. It's actually a chart. You'll see it right here. These are home sales over the last several years and what's predicted here in 2025. This gives you an idea of trends over the past back to 1990, so 35 years worth of trends. You can see right here, 2025, we're expected nationwide to have 4.2 million transactions, home sales across the country. Take a look, that's been steady for the last, say, 3 years. What's happened over the last, say, 3 years is the interest rates. You're paying higher mortgage rates for purchasing properties. Most folks that acquired property before 2020 or 2021 have interest rates below 3%. Good for them. That's amazing to acquire that rate. They're not here, those rates right now. Most of the rates are in the 7% or above. And then the other thing that's happening here are inventory challenges. While there are areas of the country with higher levels of inventory, such as Florida, Arizona, our area here in Northern Virginia, we have less than a 2-month supply of homes right now. That means there's not a lot of homes to pick from, and buyers and sellers may choose not to enter the market just because the market may not have the property or the type of product they're looking to move to. The other thing I wanted to share with you, because of the high interest rates and depending on where you are in the country, you might be looking at a price adjustment to get your property sold. The market's changing very quickly, almost on a weekly basis. So you want to be in touch with your agent to make sure you're still competitive with the other homes you're competing against. The other thing I see is, again, just the golden handcuffs. That low mortgage rate often is going to make it almost impossible on paper. The numbers won't add up to make a move. You end up getting less home for more money, but you may need to move. You may need to move for school, work, other life events. So don't be afraid to move. They say marry the house and date the rate. That means you'll refinance into a lower interest rate when those become available. So the other thing I'm seeing right now is there may be increased negotiability. What that means is what the seller wants is not always the price, and what the buyer wants is maybe something else in terms of a timeline. And if you can match those two up, you'll put a buyer and seller together and you'll win the property. It may not be price. If you're thinking about and getting in the market, call Norm. I'd love to be your realtor, talk about what you want to accomplish and see if we're the right people to work together. Questions, concerns, hallucinations, call Norm.